Suzuki SV650 has earned a reputation as one of the most versatile and rider-friendly motorcycles on the market. First launched in the late 1990s, it quickly became popular for its balance of performance, reliability, and approachable design. The bike is powered by a 645cc V-twin engine, known for delivering smooth torque across the rev range, making it equally enjoyable for daily commutes and spirited weekend rides. With its lightweight frame and agile handling, the SV650 appeals to both new riders looking for confidence and experience, motorcyclists seeking fun without unnecessary complexity. In terms of design, the SV650 embraces simplicity while still offering modern touches. Its steel trellis frame not only contributes to stability and strength, but also enhances the bike's sleek, minimal look. The slim profile allows riders to comfortably manage the bike in city traffic or on winding roads. Add to that the comfortable seat height and ergonomic riding position, and you have a motorcycle that doesn't demand compromise. Whether you're cruising short distances or embarking on longer journeys, performance remains the standout feature of the SV650. The V-twin engine produces a responsive yet manageable power output, making it versatile enough for different riding styles. Its suspension setup, while not overly complex, provides a good balance between comfort and control. The fuel injection system ensures efficiency and smooth throttle response, while ABS-equipped versions add safety to braking. Riders often praise the bike for delivering a spirited ride without overwhelming them. A true to a tall machine that adapts to the rider's skill and environment. The SV650's value for money is another reason behind its enduring popularity. It offers a mix of affordability, durability, and real-world usability that few competitors can match. Riders can also customize it extensively, with aftermarket parts ranging from exhaust systems to fairings and comfort upgrades. Whether you're using it as a first bike, a reliable commuter, or a weekend canyon carver, the SV650 proves to be a dependable partner. It continues to stand as a prime example of why Suzuki remains a trusted name in the motorcycle community.